The relationship between Sylvester Keal and Grimsby Town Football Club has been a long-standing one through our hygiene services and through the service and maintenance of their current equipment, but then also helping them procure and then supply new equipment as they've grown as a business. So the process from start to finish, it has quite a few touch points with our business. Initially, someone like myself goes in and does the initial consultation and specifies the right products for the client. We then follow that up with an engineer site survey to make sure that what we've suggested is physically possible and falls within all the legal parameters that it needs to. Subject to all that being accepted, we then follow up with an engineering team. We take delivery of the equipment within our premises at Sylvester Keal. We deliver it to site, we unpack it, we remove all the waste, and then it's transported to site. In this particular situation, it was on the first floor, so a bit of a challenging install, but we got them upstairs, got them in the kitchen, removal of the old equipment, removed safely from site, and then install the new appliances, test and commission. We specified blue seal fryers because they were the perfect size for the space available, as there were certain gas regulations that we had to keep them within and keep them compliant. One of the main reasons they come to Sylvester Keal. The fryers themselves are some of the best gas equipment on the industry, so we knew they'd be able to cope with the duties that the club will need to serve all the players on a regular basis.